In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to ClickUp for an easy integration. Integrating these two powerful tools can greatly streamline your workflow, making it simpler and more efficient to manage your tasks and projects. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you will need to utilize a third-party tool to connect Notion and ClickUp. Two popular options for this are Zapier and Make. So head over to either zapier.com or make.com. Once there, you'll need to create accounts if you haven't done so already. These platforms allow you to seamlessly connect different apps through workflows, making it easy to automate processes between them. Now let's proceed with connecting your Notion and ClickUp accounts. After signing up, you'll be prompted to link your accounts within Zapier or Make. This step is crucial because it grants permission for the third-party tool to access both accounts and facilitate the workflow automation. Ensure that you have your Notion and ClickUp login details handy, as you'll need to authenticate each connection. Once your accounts are successfully linked, we can move on to the next phase, creating a workflow, often referred to as a zap in Zapier or a scenario in Make. To create a workflow, start by choosing a trigger from your Notion account. In our example today, let's set the trigger as the creation of a new page in Notion. This means that whenever you create a new page in Notion, it will trigger an action in ClickUp. Next, define the action that you would like to occur in ClickUp, such as adding a new task. By choosing these specific triggers and actions, you're setting up the desired automated behavior between the two platforms. This configuration allows you to tailor the integration to meet your specific productivity needs. Once your workflow is all set up, it's essential to test it before turning it on. Running a test will help you confirm that the data is transferred correctly between Notion and ClickUp. During this stage, create a sample page in Notion and observe if a corresponding task appears in ClickUp as expected. Troubleshooting here ensures everything functions smoothly. Finally, activate the workflow so that it starts running automatically. By switching on this automation, your tasks and pages will now sync automatically between Notion and ClickUp without any manual intervention from you. In conclusion, integrating Notion with ClickUp through Zapier or Make can transform the way you handle your work, providing greater efficiency and productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.